Today we're cooking breakfast. I'm on keto again, so I decided to just have some bacon and eggs, and we're going to use these protein up wraps with some cheddar cheese to make them into kind of breakfast burritos and a little bit of mayo, and it turned out very yummy. Before I left my apartment, I had one sale come in. It was for the Fossil bag, and it's sold to Georgiana, so thank you. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart, and the post office was backed up. After that, I went to the UPS store because I had 2 more sales over there. I love using UPS for shipping because it's just dropping it off and then leaving. Easy peasy. Arrived at the dentist, but my appointment is tomorrow, so we leave. I decided to stop by Value Village, and when we got there, we found this Coach bag for $13.49. Hi, Veronica and Stephanie. Now, Daniel and I are going to Value Village after picking him up. We're going to another Value Village, and here's $150 for Nintendo. Then we go to Salvation Army, found nothing. I thought this was such a horrendous price at the Unicity Value Village. It was crazy. Also, $80 for this duvet. Crazy. Spotted this GameCube in the showcase. It was $75. I mean, it's not a bad price, but still kind of expensive. So Daniel gave me this. Thank you, Daniel.
I like it. It's cool. Whatever it is, you guys. Like you said, you think it's for towels here. You could put soaps here because there's an indent, but like you can hang like maybe a brush.
But wood? So,
it just doesn't seem like because it would soak in and
Yeah.
But it's sturdy. Like the quality of this.
It's heavy. Yeah.
It's just appealing. It's nice. It doesn't. I don't think it's vintage for it.
After our thrifting adventures, we decided to go get some wings at Tony Roma's.
I'll try to find it.
Now it's 9 p.m. and I'm just getting to go up to my apartment. Hey ho bags, it's Msfili. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing the haul portion of the video. We did not thrift this morning. I thought I had a dentist appointment this morning, so I ended up going to the dentist, and then they kicked me out because my appointment isn't actually till tomorrow. I'm getting my wisdom tooth pulled out, so I'm kind of nervous about that. I called Daniel and I was like, hey, my appointment wasn't until tomorrow. Do you want to go thrifting? He's like, sure, bitch, let's go thrifting. I'm like, okay, let's do it. Ended up going for wings with Daniel. When I order wings or riblets, I get the sauce on the side and I dip it like very, very tiny, like a pin-sized needle on the wings or on the riblets, and then just to give it some flavor, and the rest is like dry. But I loved it. It was yummy. And anyway, let's get right into the haul. Actually, Daniel's the one that gave it to me. I didn't know what it was, and then a lot of people on my Instagram was like, "That's a men's valet." So I wasn't sure what you did with it. There's like one hook right here, and then there's like this indentation here, and then yeah, it's wrought iron wood. I knew, like, obviously this is shaped as a hanger, so I knew you hung something on it. I don't know, I thought it was maybe a robe, and then you put your soaps here, then hang your loofah over here. Well, that's what Daniel thought, but someone told me it's like a men's valet. So you put your sport coat here, you hang a brush here, and then I don't know what you put here, and like you have a little towel rack over here. I don't know, I feel like it's something decorative that doesn't need to be used as a men's valet, and I think that someone might want to hang a blazer, or I don't know, ornaments, or I don't know, it could be like for your bathroom. We only paid $5 for it, so I thought that was a good deal. So thank you, Daniel, for passing this to me. We also picked up this Coach crossbody bag. So actually, I got a few messages from this. A lot of people passed on this at the thrift store. Anyway, that's what was told to me. Marla, one of the girls that follows me, she was like, I left it behind because I thought it was fake, because a lot of people don't know that small leather goods and small leather bags or bags from Coach usually doesn't have the creed or any serial number. It'll always have, though, like that made in China kind of plastic tab, but smaller bags from Coach don't usually have a serial number or creed, because that's just how it is. Whether it's boutique or factory outlet, they kind of do that. And then I ran into Steph and Veronica, and it was always a joy to see them. They also didn't see it. So a lot of people passed on this bag, but Msfili got the bag. $12 after taxes. Very cute kind of snake print Coach right there. You got the hang tag. I'm not 100% sure if this is leather. I think this might be fabric, and then this is leather. I don't know, but also has a leather crossbody strap and zip top closure. and you got a front kind of slip pocket. It's very cute, very cute. For the $12 we paid, it was such a good deal. We picked this up, but it's faux, so just thought, it's kind of funny because I actually own the original. Well, I did, and I sold it, but we picked that up. This one was only $2.50. This is how the thrift store should price their little pochettes and whatever, because sometimes they price this at 10, sometimes 20, sometimes 30. But a really cute little wristlet from the Coach Op Art collection. Excellent condition. Missing the hang tag, but I think I might have one extra, a silver one that'll match it. But it has a few little card slots inside, and I am very happy to pay that price for this. Last but not least, we picked this up. It's a Coach, a North Face parka. So it's a women's extra large North Face parka. It is the High Vent 500 or something. Dry Vent 550. It's authentic. And okay, so this part here was a little bit matted, but I fluffed it out. I YouTubed a video how to fluff faux fur hood, and it told me to just use like a dog comb or like a comb pick and just go, and it did. It actually worked. So it's all fluffy again, not matted anymore. So that helped. We did up pay for it, $30 something, which is fine. But it is down filled, which is nice. There is no holes. There's no tears. There's no fading. It's in great condition. These parkas can range between high 300s to $500. I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but yeah, I was happy to pay for it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Look how cute that looks. I'm not sure if I want to resell that parka or keep it because it's not in my size. I mean, I'm like a 1XL right now, 2XL. Okay, I'm a 2XL, I'm not a 1XL. But I feel like I lose about 30 pounds. It'll fit properly. But if I get good money for it, like if I get $80 to $100, I'll sell it. If not, I'll just keep it for myself. But it's a perfect time to sell it because it is winter. So the dead of winter. But yeah, that's all that we got today thrifting. I thought it was pretty successful. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Let me know what item I thrifted is your favorite. Mine is the North Face. I really like that. But I also like this, like the stand. I just really like the functionality of it and the uniqueness of it, because I've never actually seen one of these in my whole life. I feel like that's just like something bougie old white men would have. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. I love you. Happy holidays to everybody, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I love you. Bye.